Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am making a reversible memory wire pendant today. So let's go. I've created two different designs, and I'm going to put them together so that they will be reversible. And I'm going to put it on memory wire and put some beads on the wire. It's a simple and easy project. One side of the design is denim and the other side is hand-painted wood with foil. I'm removing the masking, and once I get the masking off, I will put my two sides together. These bead parts were cut on my Glowforge laser. Both pieces have adhesive on them, so they will be able to come together and glue together nicely. I painted the side of my bead, so now I'm ready to start putting the beads on the memory wire. I'm using gold tone necklace size memory wire by Bead. I use a memory wire cutter to cut this wire because it is very, very strong. It's called memory wire because it holds its shape. To begin the process, I take my round nose pliers and I make a loop at one end. This is going to hold the beads on as I bead. And I'm simply going to put some seed beads on to begin with because that's going to be at the back of my neck. Once I get enough seed beads on, I'll start my design, and then I'll put my design on and then finish with the seed beads again. I've done a lot of this off camera because this wire is so fiddly, and I just haven't figured out a way to do it so that it's not so fiddly. Now that I've gotten toward the middle of the necklace, I can put my focal bead on. And as you see, I have a little bit of trouble getting it through the hole because the hole is straight and the wire is curved. But I'm just gonna make it work. And now it's just a matter of putting the beads on the other side in reverse order. Once I put the rest of the seed beads on, I'll close the wire by making another loop. Here's the finished product. One of the great things about using memory wire is that you don't have to put a clasp on at the back. So that's another step that you don't have to do. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. If you like this video and have not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe, like, share the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this process. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.